Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya di Koin Logam channel.
13 most expensive ancient Indonesian money in 2022, valued at hundreds of millions. Jakarta, IDN Times. Everyone has different hobbies and preferences. There are those who like to read books, take pictures, and even collect antiques. One of the antique items that is quite popular with many people is old money. Collectors often hunt ancient money because of the uniqueness of the material and appearance. Not infrequently, ancient money is even sold at quite fantastic prices. Then what are the old coins in Indonesia that are sold at high prices? 1. 500 Indonesian rupiahs note 1992. The first ancient money to be priced at the highest price was the 1992 500 Indonesian rupiahs note, which had been withdrawn from circulation. One banknote with an orangutan on it is sold from Rp. 5,000 Rp. 100 million. 2. Rp. 5,000 banknotes 1958. The banknotes issued in 1958 were sold for more than Rp. 10 million. The hallmark of the Rp. 5,000 note is the image of a woman in a kebaya holding rice.
3. 25 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1922. This Rp. 25 Indonesian coin also includes rare ancient money that is much sought after. Issued in 1922, this Rp. 25 coin is quite a collection by fans. The money that was no longer in circulation was being sold at a fairly high price, which is around 100 million Indonesian rupiahs per chip. 4. 50 Indonesian rupiahs coin 1971. Next, there is a Rp. 50 coin. These coins are traded at prices reaching 100 million Indonesian rupiahs. The IDR 50 note was issued in 1971 with a characteristic image of a bird of paradise on one side. 5. 100 Indonesian rupiahs coin 1973. Then, there are coins with a nominal value of Rp. 100, which is one of the most expensive ancient money. You can find many notes issued in 1973 with a selling price of around 100 million Indonesian rupiahs per coin. 6. 200 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1945-1970 coins with the characteristic image of a bird of paradise issued in 1945-1970 are currently priced at 400 Indonesian rupiahs minus 500,000.
7. 250 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1945-1970. Furthermore, there are coins with the image of the Garuda bird and the Manjusiri stone statue from the Tumpang Malong temple. This money was issued in 1945-1970 to commemorate the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. It is known that only 5,000 pieces were produced and sold for around Rp. 500,000. 8. 500 Indonesian rupiahs coin 1978. The banknotes with images of the Garuda bird and wayang dancers are priced at around 500 Indonesian rupiahs minus 600,000. 9. 1,000 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1970. This old coin with an image of an eagle and General Soderman on the other side is valued at around Rp. 800,000, Rp. 1 million per coin. 10. Rp. 1,000 coins 1993. The next most expensive ancient money, namely coins in the Rp. 1000 denomination issued in 1993 with a design depicting a palm oil and having two different sides of the circle. The outer circle of this money has a white color, while the inside is yellow. This money is sold at a very cheap price, which is around 5 Indonesian rupiahs, 10,000 Indonesian rupiahs. However, there are also those who offer prices of up to 100 million Indonesian rupiahs, you know. 11. 2000 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1974. Coins in the 2000 Indonesian rupiahs denomination are currently offered at more than 2 million Indonesian rupiahs per coin. It is known that only 2,970 coins were produced in 1974 with a gold content of around 90% in each coin. 12. 5,000 Indonesian rupiahs coins 1974. It is known that only 2,150 pieces of this ancient money were produced in 1974. The 5,000 Indonesian rupiahs note has a gold content of 90% and is currently valued at 3 million Indonesian rupiahs. 13. 10,000 Indonesian rupiahs coin 1987. The last ancient money that is priced at the most expensive is the 10,000 Indonesian rupiahs denomination. This coin with a picture of a deer as its trademark has a gold content of 90% and only around 1,440 pieces are produced. This money was issued in 1987 and is currently sold at 4 million Indonesian rupiahs per chip.